morning, guys. I just wanted to read through really quick the story that goes along with the Super Kids this week. I know that you listened to the P song on there, and you know that they're about to take a picnic and they want lots of things that start with the P sound. So this story is called The Odd Picnic. Now we know they're going for a picnic, but there's going to be something kind of different about it. So we'll see at the end what happens. Oswald is the super noodle. We talked about before we left how the super noodle is the one super kid for the day who gets to pick out the fun things that they get to do. So he's kind of like the leader for the day. The picnic spot is up the hill. So Oswald's pointing to where they're going to go. And what do you think that they're carrying in those bags right now? If they're on their way to a picnic, what do you think they're carrying? Maybe some food. That would be a good guess. Look at Golly's face down here. He's like, I can't wait to eat. Etta and Cass spot robins. Let's help the robin, says Etta. Now this mommy, it looks like a mommy bird with some baby birds down here, and they're chirping at their mommy. What do you think that they want? Why would they be chirping at her? Let's see on the next page. If you guessed some food, you were right. The robin gets bits of bun. Let's gulp up the buns, says Cass. So they were giving some of the buns to the bird to feed her babies, which was really sweet of them, but should they be eating the buns right now? I don't think so. The buns were for the picnic. Hot Rod trips. The bag rips. Let's put the plums in us, says Alf. So they tripped and Hot Rod trips and falls and the plums hit the ground. So Alf's like, uh-oh, we have to eat them so that they, aren't on the ground. Tick says, I am hot. Let's rest. Remember, they're going up that hill to get to the picnic spot. Tick, tack, and tock. Sip the lemon pop. Uh-oh, but again, should they be drinking that lemon pop before the picnic starts? Don't think so. I cannot lug the big melon. Even though Sal's our workout boy, he's not strong enough to carry it all the way up that hill. Doc and Sal get rid of the melon. Where do you think they're getting rid of the melon to? Looking at Doc over here. Looks like they're getting rid of it into their bellies. A rabbit hops past. Hip hop, hip hop. Let's put, pop one word, put a carrot on the stump. So they're going to feed the rabbit because they have cute little carrots and put it on the stump of the tree for him. The rabbit spots the carrot. Lily and Icky get rid of the carrots. Lily says. Again, super kids, what are you guys doing? This food's for your picnic. They should not be eating it. The super kids stop at the picnic spot, but the picnic is a problem. Oswald says, let's get the picnic stuff. Uh-oh, no pop is left. Do they have any pop for their picnic? Nope. No melon is left. No buns. No carrots. No plums. But Oswald saves the day, guys. So they accidentally ate all of their food for the picnic. Uh-oh. But Oswald says, the picnic can still happen. I hid gumdrops. So he had gumdrops hidden in the stump over here of the tree. Maybe that was like the dessert he had planned, or maybe he knew that some of the food wouldn't make it up the hill. It is an odd picnic, but it is fun. So all the super kids have their little gumballs. They're popping in their mouth. They're gonna chew and just kind of lay and spend time together. So even though they didn't eat the food that they were planning on eating, did it still turn out to be a nice time to spend with their friends? Yes, absolutely. I should have given the super kids some gumballs yesterday on our picnic. And that is the end. All right, guys. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.